Hello everyone, welcome to Homeschooling with Hira. I hope you all are well. In today's class, we shall learn the long I sound, okay? There are 5 ways by which the short vowel I becomes I and say its name. So today we shall explore all these ways. Be with me till the end of the video so you can understand everything very well. Before we go any further, if you have not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe and turn on the bell notification as well so whenever I upload a video, you get notified. Come on, let's get straight into it. Number 1. I as long vowel I. Let's see some examples. This is I run. I run. Why is it iron? Because if we break this iron into syllables, the first syllable is I and the second is run. So whenever a syllable is ending with a vowel, we say the name of the vowel rather its sound. It's the open syllable rule. I run. Let's break this word into syllables. The first syllable is pilot. Pilot. If we break it here from pi, you can see that the first syllable is ending at a vowel I and we will say it I. So the word is now I. Pilot. Pilot. Some more words with the open syllable rule, long I sound. Item. Item. Ice. Whenever k follows a, e or y, its sound changes to s. So this word is ice. 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 Icon. Icon. Silent. Lent. Silent. Final. Final. Tiger. 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 Buy. Bull. Bible. It's silent here. Cry. Sis. Cry. Sis. Irish. 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 Now number 2, we have the magic E rule, that is vowel, consonant here, any consonant, and then the magic E. If you see this kind of a structure in a word, we say this E as I. Look at here. Can you read this? Eat. Kit. Plus a silent magic A. Because of this A, it has changed into I. Kit into kite. P is a bland and in spin. Spin. The word is spin. If we add a magic E here, so the word will be spine. The E has changed into I. Spine. Spine. Some more words with the I sound following the magic E rule. Bike. Fine. Mine. Nine. Line. Dine. Shine. Struck. 3-letter consonant blend. Struck. Stripe. Quiet. This is the qua sound, Q and U. Q can never come alone in any words, so we take this as a single sound. A is not a vowel here. It is the one sound, qua. Quiet, quiet. The third sound of long vowel I is when Y acts as long vowel I. Okay, come on, let's see some examples. K. It's a two-letter blend. Sk. Sk. I. Here ya is changed into I sound. Okay. Sk. I. Sky. Fra. Two-letter blend. Fra. I. Fry. Some more examples of this. B. I. Buy. Cra. I. Cry. Dra. I. Dry. I. My. Tra. I. Try. But. Ter. Butter. I. Fly. Butterfly. I. Die. Ick. Mick. Dynamic. Dynamic. I. Whenever k is following I, E or Y, its sound changes to s. So this is k. I means sigh. Kill. Sigh. Kill. And the last word is reply. At number 4, we have IE as long vowel I. Let's see this with examples. Remember that this IE at the end of a word comes in very few basic words. There are only 4 common words who have IE in the end like this. And they are single syllable words. Let's start reading, then you will get to know. I. Now this E and A has become the long vowel I. I. Tie. I. Pie. I. Pie. Some other words like this. As I told you, there are only 4 common base words who end with this sound. Okay. I. Tie. I. Pie. I. Die. I. Lie. But in many cases, when we add es or ed suffixes to words like these, which have y in the end, this y changes to I. And you will see something like this. Cry plus suffix es will become cries. Okay. Now cry plus d or ed become cried. Again, you can see this structure, but actually this ed is the suffix and y has changed into I. Okay. Here is this es is suffix and y has changed into I. Look at here now. Fly plus es is flies. Fry plus es is, oops, I made a mistake here. It's fry plus d. Here I should have written d. I'm sorry for this. This is fry plus d or ed, fried. On number 5, we have IGH as long vowel I. Now let's understand this with some examples. IGH will sound like I. The words who have this I sound ends at IGH. There is nothing after IGH except a T. High. It's a high heel. Let's read this. Light. Light. It's a light bulb. Some other words like this. Sight. Might. Night. I'd, tied, I'd, fight, I'd, ride, d, light, light, delight, delight, bright, 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 flight, flight. So that's end for today's class. I hope you have liked it. If yes, please hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, and thank you for watching. I shall see you soon with another video. Till then, bye bye.